How to remove volume limit on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To remove volume limits on Android device, launch Settings application and make sure to locate the option of sounds and vibration and open it. And from this section you can easily adjust volume settings in sound settings. You can easily check for a settings like volume limiter, safe volume or media volume limiter as well. If you are using Android devices like Samsung, you will get three dots at top right where you will see media volume limiter option. You can easily disable it or adjust the limit. You may be prompted for a pin if this feature is locked. But on other Android devices, you can simply use this uh, volume settings given here with the help of the slider. Also, you can use a volume booster applications. If no built-in option is available, you can use third-party applications like Volume Booster, Godev, Super Loud Volume Boosters. Also, you can root your Android device. You need to know that excessive volume can damage your device's speakers or your hearing. You can use higher volumes responsibly. Always back up important data before making significant changes such as routing. So, if you are using headphones, ensure they are designed to handle high volumes. So, in this way, you can easily remove limits of volume on Android. That's it. So, if you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe.